In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Chrome profile. If you're cleaning up your browser or retiring an old account, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a profile safely and with confidence. Chrome profiles are like separate spaces on the same browser, each with its own history, saved passwords, and settings. Removing one won't affect the others, so you can tidy things up without disturbing your main setup. Start by opening Google Chrome from your computer's home screen or taskbar. When you've created multiple profiles in the past, Chrome will open a Profile Chooser window. This is the screen where each profile appears as its own card, and from here, you can pick which one to use, rename it, or delete it. Take a moment to look over the list so you're targeting the right profile. Find the profile you want to get rid of. Hover your mouse over that profile's card, then click the three dots in the top corner of that specific card. Those three dots open the menu for that profile only, so double check you're on the right one before you proceed. Choose Delete from the menu. Chrome will immediately show a warning to make sure you understand what's about to happen. Deleting a profile removes its browsing history and saved passwords associated with that profile from this computer. If that's exactly what you want, click Delete again to confirm. Pause here for a second, and make sure you don't need anything in that profile anymore. Once you confirm, the action can't be undone. That's it. The profile is now completely gone from your computer. Your other profiles and their data remain untouched, and you can continue using Chrome just as before. If you ever need to sign in with a different account later, you can always create a new profile and keep things organized from the start. With that cleanup complete, you'll likely notice a tidier profile list and a smoother experience launching Chrome. Less clutter means fewer distractions and a faster path to the profile you actually use. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, keep this process in mind anytime you're simplifying your setup or passing a device to someone else. Enjoy your cleaner, streamlined browser, and you're all set.